Hi kings, welcome back again in today's amazing beautiful video. Guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing amazingly well. Okay, so guys, today we are going to be talking about right places that you're supposed to put your hand in order for her to scream down your name throughout the day without stopping. Now, if your wife, your girlfriend, your fiancé has not been doing that, anytime you knock her or you're knocking her, if you're like she's darling or some kind of a thing, and you're feeling that you're not satisfying her, now it might not really be your fault. Actually, it might be that she's not enjoying it, and if you don't know how to knock properly or how to do some play before knocking, it becomes a problem. That is why I am making this video today, to tell you places that you need, that every woman wished that their man as well play with them using their hand before knocking. But before I dive into the amazing topic, my kings, if that is the first time of coming across to my channel, you are highly welcome. And to my audience, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate all your love and your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the red button to subscribe showing under your screen, and also remember to turn on your post notification bell on in order to get my notification anytime I upload a new video. Okay, now first of all, there's so many things that women want. There's some women who always like their man to knock them on a club. Like they prefer screaming when you're knocking them on the club than in the house. So you should be able to, as a man, you should be able to identify what your woman need. Okay, now if your woman is that type that always make noise during the time of knocking, maybe in the club, that kind of a thing, as husband and wife, boyfriend, fiance and all that, and you decide to do one or two and you see her screaming, it means that yes, you always prefer you do it with her in that place. Do you understand? You can't change it because that is her style, that is her method. All right, all you have to do is once in a while, you take her out, you take her to this place, you do one of those things. It's normal. It's normal. Then coming to the house, of course you're not going to live there. You have a house, right? You have where you are living, you have where you're coming from. So now, if anytime, any day you are knocking her in the house and you feel that she's not enjoying it, I want you to start doing this as a man. Start doing this as a man immediately. But before you begin to knock her, first of all, there's these places that is inside the honey pot that is very tiny, closer to the nut, inside the honey pot. I don't know, it is just little, like you cannot really see it with your hand, with your eyes, actually, like your normal eyes, like the way you're seeing me right now, right? Or you can feel it with your hand. You can feel it with the tip of your hand, or if only you are using the tip of your hand. So all you have to do is to locate the honey pot. Now the thing is, on top of the honey pot, when you locate it that way, now begin to, it is not a knot that this is additional knot that God has given to women. Like, it's very tiny. I don't know what I can use to describe it. It's very tiny. You see that place, when you finally put your hand there, trust me, like you're gonna be like, she will tell you to keep on, she will tell you to leave your hand like that. Yes, because she don't want you to remove your hand. She don't want, like, oh my God, that your hand there will scatter her brain. It will make her to go gaga. You understand? Just leave it there. Try as much as possible. Every woman has it. Try as much as possible to locate it and then start doing it. And trust me, she will never say no again, or she will never keep mute, or lie like a log of wood without reacting and all that. This kind of a thing. Please locate that. It's very, very important. But before you do that, as a man you are, make sure, because there is no woman that you will actually do this, and at the end of the night, at the end of the whole thing, now it is time for you to enter and you begin to give excuse. Your joystick begin to disappoint you, or begin to have weak erection. Guys, it is a turn off. Like, if you want to destroy, like if you want her to run away from your life completely, please allow your joystick to disappoint you. But if you don't want to lose her, make sure that you set your joystick, make sure that you have your erection maintained, that you maintain that erection, and you also maintain your ejaculation. You cannot just put there and then when it's time for you to enter, you begin to give excuses why your joystick is not standing up, why you are pouring water quick. If you must locate this place and you are playing with this place, inside this place, guys, that alone self will make your joysticks be very stronger for any healthy man. That place alone will make you to even last longer for any head. But if you're not healthy, maybe caused by BP or diabetes, I will advise you to avoid, doing this play inside that place. Avoid it unless you correct that. Now, some of you don't know that you can correct BP. You can eradicate BP. You can eradicate diabetes. You can eradicate prostate related issue, and that is where I am for you watching me today. Whether you're watching me from US, Canada, Australia, UK, South Africa, anywhere you're watching me, and you have this health challenge that has resulted to your weak erection and weak ejaculation, guys, I have the best herbal products in West Africa that will eradicate it without giving you any side effect. All you have to do is to keep on drinking it consistently the way I will prescribe, and replace you on 6 months, 3 months, 7 months treatment. All right, and you are going to be free from all of this health challenge. Your doctors are telling you, oh, once you have high BP, you have diabetes, you cannot eradicate it, you can manage it. Don't allow them to deceive you and buy you at the end of the day, and another person come and eat your money and then eat your wife at the same time. Don't allow that. Do not allow that. Your doctors are coming to me secretly at the back. I have a couple of them, but it's just that it's something of privacy. I cannot be, but I have told them never to, like the ones that are receiving treatments in my hand, I have told them, politely, to stop telling their patient that, oh, BP and diabetes don't have eradication. As you can see, the one you're taking is already, you're almost getting free from it. So please and please do not allow them to keep on giving you that idea or mentality. All right, so if you need this service, if you want me to handle your case, all you have to do is to send me a WhatsApp message on +234 90 59 82 5779 +234 90 59 82 5779. Kings, I am active on WhatsApp. Please do not just chat me. Okay, if you're serious, chat me. If you're not serious, don't chat me, because I need serious-minded people. I need serious-minded people. All right, please, as you're watching this video, like that video for me, share, and also leave your comment under the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Do have a wonderful and lovely day. I love you all, and do not forget to download my knacking book. I'm going to drop the link under the comment section. See you on my next video. Do have a wonderful and lovely day. I love you all. Bless you. Bye.